You can open your legs a little bit and comfortable cross-legged, or take the soles of your feet together, take your hands on your knees and do a few circles. Switch directions. Now when you lean over to the right, opposite of me, you can press your left hand into your left inner knee and look over your right shoulder. And then go the other side, lean left, and with your right hand, push into your right knee, look over your other shoulder. Nice, come into the center, crossing at your shins, come into a tabletop facing the front of your mat. Let's get into our wrists a little bit more. Tabletop, shoulders over your wrist, press your fingertips into the floor like you're clawing the mat and start to circle. Circle around your wrist for 3. Press your arms towards straight, 2. And 1. Come into center, take your fingertips out to the sides and then go left to right. A little bit different feeling in your wrists. For 3. Keep clawing your finger pads into the floor for 2. And for 1. Come into the middle. Now you can turn one hand all the way around so your fingertips point towards your knee, or you might do both. Feel free to do one at a time. Walk your knees in if you like and go forwards and back. And here I like to really stretch out through my thumbs for 3. You might even try bending your elbows a little bit and peeling the heel of your hand off the ground for 2. And for 1. Come forwards. Release that out, back into tabletop. Now pop up onto the knuckles underneath your fingers in this palm press. Try to get your armpit line over your knuckles and then slowly decelerate the lowering until your wrists gently top the earth. Pop back up, shift forwards. See if you can get a long line from knuckle to armpit or something close. Slowly lower. So good, pop up, shift forwards, keep pressuring your fingertips. Reaching out through your thumbs, slowly lower. Nice, shake that out. I'll just turn to you so you can see this. Now you might want a little bit more weight into your legs. Take your right palm up, curl your fingers into a light fist, see how that feels. Bend your right elbow to the side and then slowly straighten any amount and start to flip the veiny part of your wrist a little forwards. And then bend out to the side and slowly straighten, and you can make a bit of a fist. 1 more. Tenderly in there. Release it out. You can shake it out, roll it out, other side. Make a fist. Bend and straighten. Maybe roll the veiny part forwards. Bend, straighten. You can monitor how much weight comes down right by using your right arm and your legs. Release that out, shake it out, roll it out. And let's come down onto our abdomen. You can move your props a little over to the side. Take your hands out to the sides and make your elbows go left to right. So you can take your forehead down and then just check in here. Can you imagine there's a strawberry underneath your belly button? And try not to squash it. So lift a little there, squeezing your 2 frontal hip bones together. We'll keep coming to back to this, so not squishing the strawberry. Yeah, then we'll lift our left leg up, bend it, look over towards our left foot, and take it over to the right, and then come back down, don't squish the strawberry. Yeah, right leg up, bend, look over your left towards your right foot, and then come back in. Don't squish the strawberry. Keep that containment at the front. Come into a cobra, boost your chest forwards, and come on back down. Hands by your low ribs, tuck your toes. Try not to squish the strawberry, lift up into a plank. Come up from your knees there and lower back down. Okay, hands out to the sides now, forehead down, elbows wide. Stretch across your collarbones, the front of your chest. Don't squish the strawberry. Left leg to the right, look to the right. Down. Right leg to the left, look over towards that foot. Down. Without squishing the strawberry, come up through center. And then down. Hands by low ribs, tuck toes. up into a plank and lower down. This time, turn your fingers in towards you. Big internal rotation of your shoulders, elbows wide. Left leg to the right, look right. Down, don't squish the strawberry. Right leg to the left, look left. Down, lift off the strawberry, come up through the center, weird. Come on down, hands by your lower ribs, tuck toes. Come up to your plank and down. Nice, this time come up to your knees. Shift back to a child's form, take a breath in. Empty it out. And shift forwards. Take your hands to the earth, forearm, pressure. Lift the space in between your shoulder blades a bit. Let your head drop, tuck toes. Reach into a dolphin form or a forearm dog. Press down through your hands. Lift your sit bones back. Stretch your side waist. And try not to sag your armpits to the floor. Rather lift and hollow out your armpits and get longer through your sides. Your breath in. Empty it out. Come down to your knees. Reset onto your hands. Fingertips press back into your downward facing dog. Pedal it out.